Let's look at how to do electronic eligibility verification for patient coverage. We're going to start by going to a patient chart. So let's go to the search box in the upper right here. We'll search by patient last name. Let's go to Joe Test Patient. On this drop-down menu here, we're going to select Claims. Go to Coverages. Click on the patient's coverage. Then down here, under this eligibility section, you can see we've already done a verification for this patient. But if we're adding a new one, we're going to click this Add/Verify button here. This information can all be filled out manually. You can get that by contacting the payer via phone or via their website. However, if this payer offers electronic verification, you can click on this button here. You can see it's currently not allowed because we need to save this eligibility before doing so. But once we save and click that button, it'll give us some information back. Let's take a look at how that will appear. So once this information is returned, you can see that we'll have two addresses here. We have the one that you have on file for the patient in CarePaths, and then you have the one that was returned by the payer. You can see in this case that the addresses don't match, meaning that a claim sent for this patient will most likely be rejected based on that unmatching address. So you'll want to change the address that you have on file to this one that was sent by the payer. Now, information down here will vary from payer to payer. Some payers offer more information than others, but most commonly what you're going to see is amount of deductible met, annual deductible, and deductible met date. Any information you need, though, that is not offered electronically, you will need to contact the payer directly to get and then enter here manually. Amounts can be entered here. And when you're done, you can click Save.